Are we recording? Okay.
Okay, go. Did you want?
Okay, shh. Get you first. Yes, me. Okay. Let's go. Okay. What am I gonna do? Just start talking. Ask them about school. Children gather. Gather around. Don't look at
Ben, remember ballet? Ben.
Like, hey, as I was saying, gather around. Children. Hey.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm just carrying. I'm just carrying something. Wait, are you recording? Oh, no, don't pay attention.
No, this is my phone. I'm texting.
My mom.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
This is exactly why I see the blinking light, which means you're recording.
No, it means I'm texting.
It's a recorder. It's a recorder. Would you like to sit next to
Grandma.
It's a recorder. It's a recorder. Phone. It's a recorder. It's a recorder. It's a recorder. It's a recorder. Okay, you just sit there quietly. Michael, come sit next to
Quietly, yeah.
Michael. It's a recorder. Next to your twin.
Okay.
Sit next to your twin.
Okay.
No twin sitting. No twin sitting. No twin sitting. No twin art.
You can interview me if you want.
Okay.
Oh, I need you to be in my video.
She's texting.
For the
Oh,
yeah, I'm texting.
Oh, what's
LOL.
saying?
Ew, you're all up in there.
Why are you up in her text message?